Friends, this is our famous Bankur Ganapati. I am in Bankur to attend Umesh Patil's house opening ceremony, and this is the production of what we used to do when we were kids. I am taking you through that route. The Bankur Ganesha Pradakshina. Hope you all will enjoy seeing this video after a long time. This is the famous banyan tree beside Bankur Ganapati. See this video and be blessed.